Hey, Ukraine Inside Out. So we've had a lot of questions about what we have on this trip or what we're bringing. So I thought we'd do a little video here. We're at this beautiful canyon. You can see what we got. So we'll start with our big blue bag here. So this bag goes on the back of the bike. In this bag, in the bottom, I have an extra belt for the motorcycle. We have our medical kit, extra pair of glasses for me just in case, emergency sewing, soap, and this is a repair kit for our stove. It goes in the bottom. Also in this bag we'll have these are our just general clothes along with our super cool Ukraine Inside Out shirts that we had made. Yeah, cool. Our super awesome logo made by one of our local friends in Khmelnytsky. And these two things here are our sleeping mats. They roll out and you blow them up and you can sleep in. This is a rainproof bag, you can kind of see. Also in this bag will be our computer, tablet, notebook, and charger, and then our toiletries that we have, toothbrush, deodorant, all the good fun stuff. So that goes in that bag. And these two bags here that go on the sides, we have our sleeping bags and clothes that we sleep in, and also in one of them we have our pot that we cook in, and inside the pot is all of our just like salt, pepper, and fork, knife, spoon, that type of thing. Here we have, this will go in the side bags, on the green side bags. This is an Atlas. These are the two camping chairs we have. This is what it looks like fully set out. I believe it will hold 150 kilos is what it's rated for, and this is what it looks like all folded up. And most importantly, probably the thing that nobody should ever be without, toilet paper. Never forget your toilet paper when you go camping. And this here is it's called a tank bag. It sets on the gas tank. And in it we keep our electronics and things like that, stuff that we don't, like when we stop somewhere, we want to be able to take with us. Because, for example, when we stop at, I don't know, say to get lunch or something, we can't take everything inside with us, but we want to be able to take at least our very, very important, most expensive stuff inside with us. So we keep it in the tank bag. It just pulls right off. It's 2 seconds, it's done. Here is our lovely tent. It folds up and goes on the front of the bike. So in this box here, I have a whole bunch of tools, all kinds of random assortment of tools, so that way I can work on almost anything on the bike. In this little compartment here, it opens up, and inside I have some spare parts, mostly electronic stuff, spare sensors if we need them, anything like that. On the back of this green box, you can see it right here. I have some of the heavier spare parts we have. I have some spare brake pads in there, and I don't remember, spare fuel pump is in there. Just a bunch of spare things. Here, this is just gasoline, spare gasoline. It's primarily for our camping stove. Our camping stove runs off of gasoline, but if need be, we could, if we run out of gasoline, we can always pour that into the motorcycle and go. Inside the bag, this one here, we'll keep our gloves and stuff that we need every day. We have our rain jackets are in here, and then we also have a tripod in here. Right here, you can see we have a little power port. Right now I'm charging the battery for the camera. So we can charge things as we drive, we can charge our laptop as we drive, or like right now when it's not running, a camera battery doesn't take much power, so I can just charge it right now. And lastly, we have in this little guy. Everyone always asks what's there. That's an old canister from the Soviet military, what they would use for their food rations or to eat out of. Inside I have a air compressor for the tires. That's more or less how I got things stored on the bike, as far as parts and things like that. So this is what the bike looks like fully loaded. Here in the front you can see that we have our tent. you can see how the tank bag works out. You can see the two small blue bags with our sleeping bags, the big blue bag on the back with my tool chest underneath. Natasha sits here, I sit here, and we're good to go.